Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is it's a vlog. Right now, I am in Anambra State. I am in Anambra State, Nigeria. So, and I am just standing in the middle of a bridge, and this bridge is called Onitsha Bridge. If you look at this bridge, I am in the middle of the bridge. You see, it's like two bridges here. You see this line you see here. This line is to show you that this is the middle of the bridge and this is the boundary. So if you follow here, you go to Onitsha. If you follow here, then you go to Asaba, which is Niger Delta State, Asaba Delta State, and Onitsha in Anambra State. So today we are talking about Anambra State. Because of that, we are going to take this my front and go to the Anambra State and see what Anambra State has for us today. But right now I am in the middle of the bridge, and know it that this bridge is the old bridge, it's not the new bridge. The new bridge, the work is still going on there, and I will show you the new bridge right now. The new bridge is what you are looking at. This is the new bridge. You see, they are constructing it. And now know it that this is the camera. If I roll the camera like this, I mean security camera. If you go there, you see this camera mounted, videoing this. So if I zoom it, you see how the bridge is, how the work is going. People are still there, okay? Even as the coronavirus is, people are still there moving and working. I don't know whether there are security, but I can see that the crane is moving, which means there are people who are still working, So, and I don't know. So, thank you very much. So, let's go back to where we are going to. So, this is the Onitsha Bridge anyway, okay? The old one, I mean, because the new one is still ongoing. So, now I have come out from the bridge, okay? See, the bridge is here. So, I have come out, and as I come out, the first thing I see is this TV, and this shows development. And Onitsha is very big and very beautiful. It shows development. Whenever you come to a city and you begin to see something like this, you see this, you see this, some electronics and some are papers and all those things, you know that yes, the place has something for you. And I know Onitsha has something for us today. So let's continue going. So as I'm going, you see houses here. They are constructing houses here. But know it that Onitsha, this place we are in now, is not Onitsha town, is express. But this express is the famous Onitsha Express. Okay, so as you can see, the express has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lanes is here. Okay, because one of this lane has 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes in one lane. So the one we are in has only this one. You see, 1, 2, okay, 3 lanes. Okay, so which means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because this road has going and coming back 8 lanes. Wow, it is very wide. So then we continue going. This is Onitsha in Anambra State, and my left is Headbridge Market. This is the famous Headbridge Market. This is where they sell drugs. I don't mean drugs like bad drugs. No. I don't mean hard drugs. So what I mean is a drug like pharmaceutical drug like painkillers, paracetamol, penicillin, and so on and so forth. But distributing it here, all those syrups, cough syrup, and so on and so forth. There you get it. Okay, so as I am moving, you see that everywhere is market. There is nobody living here. This is market, and this side here is closed anyway. So what you can see is just KK taking people to buy some certain things, because people still do shopping during Saturdays, So these are what you see here, okay? But during the market day or during the working days, if you pass here, oh my God, here is full of people. Okay, this road you see here is called Atani Road. Here is where money is in Anambra State. Believe me. So you see this place you see here is where they sell rod. By left and right, if I go a little bit inside, is where they sell iron rod in quantity, distributing. People from Boyne, from Cross River, rivers, many places come here to buy iron rod. Believe me, and take it to their state to sell for retailing. So and when you take here, here is where they have banks and so on and so forth, so, and by the left here is where they sell drugs, as I tell you, and also they sell building material here, but this one is pipe and tube and iron bed pan, stuff like that, anything like that is here. So, but iron rod is only here, okay? Yeah, that is what you see. But there is one thing about this road. You see, if you buy rod here and want to get maybe 3 tubes, you either use your leg to cross here, or you have to take your car and drive up to Opiweka. Opiweka is about 3 kilometers from here, and do U-turn and come back and enter here, because there used to be a roundabout here, but they knocked it down and constructed this pedestrian road. But they didn't do anything for the car. So this is market and this is market. There is nothing connect with these two markets. So if you buy something, maybe you buy rod and you want to buy tubes, and put it in your car and go home, it will be impossible for you to do. Unless if you have to do it and take your car and do U-turn, and you can't carry pipe here and carry rod, the crossing road is impossible, right? You can only do that by taking the pedestrian road, but we are talking about building materials. So I think the government would have to do something about it, either to construct maybe flyover for the cars also. So let's continue going. So you see that Onitsha is very beautiful, very nice. Oh my God, I like what I see. And if you see it, you know that this is an industrial state, okay? And if you look at here, is where they produce beer, all this life lager beer and the Premier, I think Premier Brewery, so on and so forth. I don't know which one is this one. This is Premier Breweries PLC, right? So many beers is produced. Beer is produced there. So as I continue going, know with that I am now very close to Awada. By my right is Awada. So the famous Awada. Although Awada also, we have Awada after Opiweka, but this one also is Awada. So as you can see, this is just express. It's not maybe a residential area, but the government has done a lot by making it beautiful, because see the estate, see how the gutter is. Very, very big and very large, and so nothing managing here, so everything is seen. As I tell you, today is Saturday, but see market. If you look up, you see tall houses, and you see this is market. All this here, you can see tall houses, but very, very far away. Because in Onitsha, everywhere is market. Onitsha is said to be the biggest market in Africa, and that is true because everywhere is market. And we have not even reached to that main market that is the biggest in Africa. So as I continue going, so you see there is nobody living here. What you see is either office, okay, and so on and so forth. Maybe 2 houses here, okay, where people live, but people don't like to live very close to the express. So even me, I don't like living there, so because of noise and so on and so forth. So look at Onitsha market, but this market is not Onitsha main market. This market, you see where we are now, this is Opiweka. If I zoom a little, this is Opiweka, okay? Now, there is a market within the Opiweka, and that market is not Iweka market. It is called Relief Market, but now it has been reconstructed and being, built in a better way, and it looks nice. I like it. So as we are going, you see, what you see here is luxurious buses. Here they load buses. Formerly, here used to belongs to Ife Sinachi and so on and so forth. So but now new buses going to many places, far places. So as I tell you that we are now arriving to Iweka. We're arriving to Opiweka. No, Opiweka is still far away. Oh no, it's not far away. So as we reach here, you see this is a what do you call pedestrian road. Okay, I thought I am still far away from Opiweka, but no. This is the pedestrian road, and it is a bridge. And if you look very well, you see another bridge. This bridge you see here is the famous Opiweka. You see what I told you about a TV. Anytime you are seen with a TV like this and showing an advertisement, that is a big town. So see Onitsha on Saturday how it looks. Many people, everybody is busy doing one thing or the other. And the way everybody now, both Enugu and Anambra is expanding their road is amazing, is really amazing. So now we are in Onitsha, Anambra State, and I am just going along the express to show you the express. Today we will view express, okay? Next time we will still view other places, other things that Onitsha has. See houses here. This is how Onitsha build house. This kind of housing is very popular in Onitsha and also in Anambra State. Okay, except in GRA. GRA in Onitsha, you can't see in GRA. You can't see this type of house because this one is for maybe for businessmen and women, for marketers and bus drivers. Some of them, rent all these places. But when you go to GRA, GRA is for rich people who just want to live like, governor, ministers, or, so important VIP, I would say, so Reverend Father, stuff like that. People that are not businessmen, or if they are businessmen, they are in another level. So those people cannot live here, So I don't want to mention names because that there are so many rich people in Anambra State. So, but those people are not living here. The type of people you see living here are still the people selling things in maybe Iweka Road and in Mbukobosi and so on and so forth. And I forgot to show you a road to Mbukobosi. Okay, it's just by the Iweka, by the Iweka. Okay, so as we are going now, we are heading to. I know it that this road is called Enugu Onitsha Expressway because this road leads to Enugu. This road is lead to Enugu. So, but we are very far away. Enugu is about 100 kilometers from here. So now we are not talking about Enugu right now. We are talking about Anambra State. So, this is how Onitsha build houses, and look at the modern houses in Onitsha. As I told you before, you see houses. These houses are for renting. See how it is? Big, tall, and no space. You see? This house, that house. Oh my God. Everywhere. So I know it that Onitsha is a very rich local government. I think it's the richest in Igbo land. Yes. I don't see any other local government that can compete with Onitsha now. It's impossible. It's impossible. So as I told you, we are just on express. You see, see everywhere is market or car park. This is another car park. You see. So now, as we are going, I think we are getting close to the Oka Road. We are getting close to the famous Oka Road, right? This is the famous Oka Road. But we have not arrived. Yes, this is the famous Oka Road, as you can see it. And I think I'm taking a wrong direction because I'm supposed to be in the other direction. So this famous Oka Road, as you can see it, this place is beautiful. I think at the back of here is where they have Boromi Hospital. A famous Boromi Hospital is one of the most famous hospitals in Anambra State or in Onitsha, Wow. I think I have passed the Oka Road. Okay, now I am now in the roundabout, but Oka Road is by the right, so I have passed it. By my left is Omaba. This place is going to Omaba layout phase 1. Omaba has phase 1, phase 2, and now it also has phase 3. And the phase 3 is very back from where we are right now. So by my right is Nkpo. All these places you are seeing, this area is Nkpo. Okay, where this one is Omaba. Although Here is still called Oka Road, but not here at the back, you know. Okay, so as we continue going, this is Omaba phase 1, phase 2, I mean, because the phase 1 is, Omaba phase 1 is very, very small. The phase 2 is very big, but the phase 1 is just very small. So as we continue, this is how Onitsha looks. Thank you very much. You see how they build houses in Onitsha. Look. Wow. This house used to be the tallest house. This particular one you are seeing, this one, is called Jordan. It used to be the tallest house they have in Anambra State. This one, it was famous before, but that was, you know, years back, you know. So now they have come to build other houses, and other houses are even intimidating it now, you know. You can't even see the Jordan anymore. Hi, okay. Okay, so as we continue going, we are in Omaba anyway. This is Omaba phase 2. Omaba phase 2. All these places are Omaba phase 2. And here is residential area, you know. So there are streets here. People live here. So it's no more, although it's still on express, but you know, close to express, I would say. You know. So all these places you see, you can't get land here. Land is very expensive here. You see all these places you see, some of them you see some mechanic workshop and all those things. They are reserved land. This land is not for sale. You can't get land here. Okay. Even the area that you see that nobody is building on, you can't get land here. It's not a place you come and you say you want to buy land. And no. The people who own this land are very, very rich, and they don't want to sell it. Okay. They just don't want to sell it. So see, this is Onitsha, how Onitsha is. Okay, as we are going, as I told you, we are in Enugu Onitsha Expressway, but right now we are in Onitsha. Look how beautiful Onitsha is in. Wow, this place you see is market also. Here they sell meat, they sell onions, you know, food stuff, and everything about cooking is here. Vegetable, so on and so forth here. You know. So then if I continue going again, as I told you that there is Nkpo. It's not the main Nkpo local government, right? This is Nkpo by Onitsha, but that is also it belongs to Nkpo anyway. I say Nkpo local government. Okay, see how Onitsha looks like. Wow, you see houses everywhere, people living everywhere, you know. So and see. So as I tell you, so this place is nice and beautiful. Oh my God! So Onitsha is continue looking like this, and I would like to stop here because you have seen how Onitsha looks like, and it is a very beautiful place. And I think you enjoyed being with us today. I know it's see beautiful houses. I know it that right now we are in Anambra State. For over a month, we spent about a month in Enugu State. So right now we are in Anambra State, showcasing how Anambra State looks like. We are in Onitsha, and we are going to Oka and show you what Oka has. Also, if we have opportunity in Onitsha, we will still show you more about towns around Onitsha and more about Onitsha. So know it that you are watching Intervlog, and this is Onitsha, the famous Onitsha. So thank you very much for watching.